Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Gmail account on any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to create your Gmail accounts, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your email or Gmail app in your phone and then select Google from here. Just tap on it, and after that just wait for it's loading. And here you just have to enter your PIN or fingerprint, and after that here you can easily create your Gmail account. If you have anyone, you can easily log in here. But if you won't have any Gmail account, you can easily create one. Just have and create account, then select for my personal use, and here you have to enter your name. Here just enter your name, and here you can easily enter your surname. Just enter it, and after that just tab on next. And here you have to select your basic information, which is date of birth and gender. Just enter this information, then select next. And after that you just have to select your Gmail account here which you want. As I'm going to select the first one, just tap on it, then select next. And here you just have to create a strong password. Just enter your password here, and after that just select next. And here you have created your own account. Just tap on next, and here you can see I have just created a fresh Gmail account. So that's how you can easily create a new Gmail account on your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.